10 minutes of burpees every day will do this to your body. Let me guess, you have a love-hate relationship with burpees? Well, you're on the right video then. Burpees are one of the hardest freeletics exercises. And since they aren't exactly as fun as the other exercises, it's no wonder why so many people hate them. Nonetheless, there are plenty of reasons why you should change your stance about this exercise, if you hate it, that is. Doing 10 minutes of burpees will activate all your muscle groups, thus turning your body into a fat-burning machine. In the end, it will provide numerous benefits in the long run, say way much better endurance. This and many more effects in the next few minutes, so make sure to stay tuned. Number 1. Your endurance skyrockets. In a rush to get fit, burpees got your back. 10 minutes of it to be precise. Whatever your goal is, for example, try a new sport, train for a marathon, or get in shape, burpees can get you there fast. It's even one of the best exercises to boost your endurance and conditioning for sports and other activities. Start with 10 burpees in a row, then push for 5 more, and gradually increase until you can do 10 whole minutes of burpees. Number 2. You get stronger. Burpees are the perfect example of functional fitness. In other words, it helps you achieve your weight loss and fitness goals and at the same time help you perform better in your everyday activities. Such capabilities may seem mundane, but they can actually enhance your overall quality of life. After a few minutes of burpees, your legs may feel like lead and your arms may start shaking. Don't worry, these are signs that your muscles are getting stronger. Number 3. You burn mega calories. There's no denying it, burpees is the ultimate fat-burning machine, probably the best you'd ever get from all forms of exercises. This is simply because burpees are a full-body exercise and an intense one at that. Put simply, performing burpees, especially for 10 minutes a day, will make you burn a ton of calories. In fact, they can speed up your metabolism throughout the day, which means you'll be burning calories all day long. Therefore, if one of your fitness goals is to lose weight, then you should consider performing 10 minutes of burpees a day. Number 4. Your lung capacity gets better. We hear and read this everywhere. Exercise is important for your cardiovascular health. Sadly, only a few people seem to care about the major role of strengthening our lungs in the fitness world. Exercises like burpees won't just train your heart, but also do the same with your lungs. The stronger your respiratory system is, the better your running becomes. Number 5. You get faster. That and performing burpees gets easier for you. Your first few days will be a struggle. You'd be taking tons of breaks and you'd be frustratingly exhausted that you'd find yourself stepping forward rather than jumping. But don't fret, your arms and core will get stronger come the second week. Later on, you'd be performing swiftly, which means it'd get easier and the more reps you can perform. Now, are you up for the challenge? What do you say? Tell us your thoughts below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.